Hello, everyone. Welcome to week 4. I'm going to apologize. If you looked for this a little bit earlier today, I've been having a lot of technical issues with AT&T. Those of you that know me before, AT&T and I do not get along. It happens to be a season where we're not getting along again. So I apologize for the delay, just as well the delay in grading your papers as those should be up. So let's look into this week. If you've started to look through the expectations of the week, we're really getting into the rights of expression. So it's going to be the rights of a student to express, or again, First Amendment right, freedom of speech. So expressing how they feel, looking at the First Amendment rights of a teacher and what you have the right to speak about when you're not in a classroom environment, finding that balance, really a big challenge. There's the idea of politicking and expressing your opinions for who to vote for, and those pieces that restrictions can be put on you just as much as talking about religion. You shouldn't be technically proselytizing, but you have the right, if somebody asks, what do you believe, to share what you believe in a factual manner. So you're going to be reading about that, experiencing that through the expectations for the week. Just looking at a student dyeing their hair, a student wearing clothing. You're going to look at court cases that go into that as well for this week. So with that being said, the reading for the week is chapter 6 and 7, so rights of expression and school and religion. You'll also get into the whole component of prayer in school, the journey that's gone through as well. There is a learning module for the week. I'll just get further into the rights of expression, as that could be a challenge. The discussion board for week 4 is a unique one where it's asking you to reflect on a time that you have sort of had to be told to limit or restrict what you can express in a situation by an administrator at school, or if it hasn't happened to you, to another individual as well. So if you're having a struggle with it, talk to your colleagues, see how they would articulate that and feeling like their limitation or restriction on what they could or couldn't express in certain situations. Especially in times of voting, that sometimes can come out as well. So by Thursday, again, please make sure that is up on the discussion board, knowing by Sunday that you should be reflecting on 2 peers in the class. And then you do have that Christian message, really understanding the view of how do you come from the point of atheism to Christian, and being able to say, this is my journey, this is what I've experienced. So just a reflection, completely optional. And then again, what's due, I shared with you during the live session, but due actually technically Wednesday, April the 3rd, will be your assignment number 2, the case study. Even though it says it's due week 4, you have until that Wednesday when it would be presented. Be on the lookout for the survey to figure out what our steps are for live session number 3, which would be happening on that Wednesday, April the 3rd, or possible change in date. As always, I'm available. I would suggest my reliability of Wi-Fi connection, everything like that, text me. That's the more direct way to get a hold of me, but definitely email or call if you have any questions or comments. And I hope that you have a great week. God bless.